Bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing a gift that I got for myself for Christmas. If you're new to my channel or if you just have not seen my other past holiday unboxings, the Valentine's and birthday, because my birthday is a holiday, thank you very much. I decided last year after Christmas that for every holiday I'm going to get myself something that I really want. Okay, I appreciate all the gifts that I've gotten. I got some amazing gifts from my husband, but I still want to treat myself, right? So for this Christmas I got myself the Marc Jacobs mini tote. Now I was so excited. The package came today. Shipping took about a week or so since ordering. Today's what? Today's Wednesday? Today's Tuesday. Yeah, shipping took about a week or so. So when it came, I was very excited. I actually already opened the box. Me, I'm big on packaging, especially from bigger companies. If you are expecting me to spend over a certain amount of money on your products, I'm expecting the packaging to wow me. All right. So first thing, I do appreciate the discretion in the box. It came in this little cardboard box right here. A part of it was damaged. Was it damaged or did I do that? Nope, I think I did that. I'm a liar. Never mind, Marc Jacobs. Love how discreet the packaging is, because if it's left at your door, you don't want anybody to grab your package and run. Even though people are like stealing packages, thank God that has not happened to me. Amen. So I ripped open the box. It was already slightly open. The sealing wasn't all the way there. Didn't appreciate that part, but I digress. I open it to find no sort of, let me hide these, no sort of cute nothing on the inside. I made sure that I didn't watch, did I watch any unboxings? No, I didn't watch any unboxings prior to receiving it, right? After I got it, I'm like, let me see what other people, how they feel about their bag, because I just saw this bag online and I'm like, oh my gosh, that bag is so cute, I need it. And I've been wanting it for over a year now, right? Because the totes came out, I want to say 2020, or was it 21? Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it was late 20, early 21, something like that. The bags came out anyways, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need one. Even if you follow my Instagram, I posted the leather one and said I needed the mini in it. I'll probably get that another time. The leather ones are more expensive than the canvas one, but this one I feel like is the perfect as a casual carry around. Oh, we're going to the mall, I'll grab my Marc Jacobs tote. When I watched the other girl's video, hers came, when you open it, it's black on the inside, it says Marc Jacobs. Granted, she did get the bigger size bag, so maybe that's why, but I feel slighted. I feel like I should have gotten the Marc Jacobs on the inside, okay? Like it should have been in another box. Like I can't put this on Instagram, no. Like I can't do a black girl unboxing with this. It's going to look so underwhelming. But I digress. So when you open it, the first thing I saw was not even the little card from Marc Jacobs. It was this. This is the packing list, right? I got the packing list and the cost was $150. Shipping and handling was free. Tax was $10.50. So my total was $160.50. Fine. After I move that, I see the little card, right? Underneath the card, you have the return label. Happy for the return label. Hope you don't see anything. Because that way, if I want to return this, I can just seal this box back up and slap the label on top of where my name is and then send it back to Marc. All right? But I won't be returning it. Regardless of how basic and underwhelming the packaging is, I won't be returning it. Hopefully, I don't think. So the card. I do not remember seeing a write a note option, like if this is a gift, what do you want to say? I don't remember seeing that. I did one for Valentine's Day. I didn't do one for my birthday when I did the Gucci unboxing, and I really should have. I really wanted to. I even told myself what I was going to say to myself. I don't even think I was paying attention. If there was, I apologize, Marc, forgive me, but I did not see that option. And if I were to write myself a note, it would go like this. Anything for you, princess. Merry Christmas. From me to me. But this is the card that it came inside of. On the back, it has marcjacobs.com as well as their Instagram at marcjacobs, or it could be just their whole social media. And it says, thank you for shopping at Marc Jacobs. Please visit us again at www.marcjacobs.com or at any of our stores. The envelope is empty, which I'm assuming the packing list and the return label was supposed to be in. So whoever packed my box, count your days, okay? Okay. All right. So on to the good stuff. This is what it looks like on the inside. I have not opened it as yet, but I did get the mini tote, and it's kind of big for a mini tote. This is kind of big. Anyway, it's kind of heavy too. There's stuff in it. All right, so this is it. Now on the website, they have a bunch of colors. There's black, there's green, there's blue, there's like a nudie color, a creamy color, da 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 da. I really wanted black. Black was, every other color was sold out except blue and green. I was in a which one should I get? Da 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 da. Ended up with blue. I guess let's open it. Like all right, let's open it. Let's open her. The color is called Blue Eyeshadow. And again, this is the mini tote. This is the plastic, it's sliding out. The papers. There it is. There she is. The tote bag by Marc Jacobs. It does have the tag on there. The Marc Jacobs. Alright. It has paper at the handles to keep it nice and tight. It's zippered at the top. Nice and thick zipper too. All right, on the inside you have the handle, not the handle, the straps. I was about to say on the website they do sell different variations of straps. I'm definitely going to get myself another strap, maybe for a holiday, maybe Valentine's Day. I get a strap, and I'll give Marc Jacobs a second chance and see if they give me a proper package this time, because MCM would never. Okay. All right, inside you have a little thing that it said don't eat. That's supposed to help with the moisture or whatever. You get a little Marc Jacobs card. I think this is the authentication card. I think every card is an authentication card to prove that you have real stuff. But yeah, it is a little booklet about what? This Marc Jacobs product was crafted using unique materials, handle special care. Okay, so it's like here instructions how to clean it. Like my Brandon Blackwood bag, the satin one that I have, I'm definitely going to have to take that to the dry cleaners to get that cleaned, because honey, that junk is so dirty. Natural canvas material is meant to break in and wear with use. 100% cotton, polyurethane. All right, so everything, whatever the bag is made of, is on these little cards right here. That's the bag. Let me see what the strap looks like. It's nice and tiny and cute. And like I said, I can't say like I said, but in my past videos, I have said that I'm kind of over the big bag thing in a way. I do carry around my big Ralph Lauren bag, but that's for like every day, like that has everything in it. If you watch my if you've watched my what's in my bag video, you'll see that I literally have everything in that bag. This bag is going to be super cash for like, oh, we're going to the movies, oh, we're going to the mall, oh, da 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 da, where the Ralph Lauren is going to be too big. This is the strap, very black, very basic, and that's why I feel like the black bag would have been perfect, because if I did not want to change out the strap, this would have already matched it. So now I'm gonna have to find a strap, and I have been looking at the straps. I actually think I saw one that I want to get. But yeah, that's it there. You can throw it over. Y'all know I don't, well, maybe you don't know, but I don't like wearing anything on my shoulder like this unless I definitely have to. I especially don't like wearing anything crossbody like this unless I definitely have to. If I have stuff in my hands, if I can't, if I'm just tired, whatever, no. But typically, generally, this is how I'm carrying my bag, in my hand like this. Oh, on the back of it, it says the Marc Jacobs style tote bag, location NYC, year 1984. Huh. So that's it there. Super cute. The tote bag, super cute. I love it. I do love it. I'm happy with my purchase. It's just that the packaging, it really threw me through a loop. I was expecting so much more, Marc. Mr. Jacobs, I was expecting so much more. But I digress. That's the strap fully on there because it wasn't fully on there before. But yeah, and then the strap, you can adjust it if you want to lengthen it or shorten it. You can do that. It has a little thingy right here. This is cute. I like it. I'm happy with it. We're out. But if that's it, if you have any questions for me about the bag or anything, no. If you have any questions for me about the bag, comment down below and let me know. Please make sure that you're subscribed. I checked my analytics last week and 98%, or is it 92? Yeah, 92% of you are not subscribed. 8% of you are. What is going on? Please subscribe. Thank you very much. I appreciate the views. Love that you're watching. Just subscribe now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.